Get ready to meet Samsung's next generation of Galaxy Book laptops. With 5 different models to choose from, the new Galaxy Book3 series has something to fit every kind of lifestyle. So let's help you find the best laptop for you. First up, we have the Galaxy Book3 Ultra. That's loaded with the latest and greatest innovation to revolutionize your work and play. Unlock incredible performance with the Intel Core i7 or i9 processor that's paired with an impressive NVIDIA 40 series graphics card. So you can enjoy rich detail on the 3K AMOLED screen whilst running at a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It truly is a creative and gaming powerhouse that looks stunning too. Next up, let's take a look at the Galaxy Book3 Pro. Built for those who need serious power on the move. Its super lightweight design contains some incredible heavyweight features. No task is too demanding with the latest 13th gen Intel processor, using up to 12 cores to level up your performance. Bring your vision to life with a dynamic AMOLED 2x display, along with enhanced Wi-Fi connectivity, so nothing will stand between you and your goals. Moving on to the new 2-in-1 laptops in the Galaxy Book3 range, the Galaxy Book3 360 and the Pro 360. Their versatile design offers flexibility and performance with a fully rotating hinge, high-clarity AMOLED touchscreens, and an included S Pen to help you approach tasks from every angle fast. And last, but by no means least, the Galaxy Book3. Thin, stylish and lightweight, but with powerful Intel processing and graphics, offering great performance, whether you're working, creating or streaming. That's the lineup. Now all you have to do is pick one. If you're feeling spoiled for choice, you can dive deeper into the features from the Galaxy Book3 series on Samsung.com. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.